This is a short video to explain the formulas exercise. So first of all, you'll find the formulas exercise instructions underneath the video. Scroll down to past the practice file to where you see the exercise section at the bottom here. So first of all, there are instructions that will tell you what formulas you need to add in into the spreadsheet. There is an exercise spreadsheet then that you should use to start the exercise. So I'm just going to download this and open it now. So that's it, downloaded into the downloads folder, and same as with the practice file, double click to get into it, double click to open that in Excel. Then click on Enable Editing at the top and go to File and Save As to save it. And I'm just going to save it into my Downloads folder again, and I'll just call it Formulas Exercise and leave the name at that. Okay. So in this file, you'll see it's a familiar looking file. It's the one we've been working on over the last couple of exercises. So you'll see your order sheet there and the charts similar to the charts that you created last week as well. So that's all the information in there. And then going back to those exercise instructions, it will tell you in the exercise instructions what formulas you need to add in. So for example, you're going to be adding a formula here that multiplies the quantity by the cost per unit, and so on. Okay, that's that first one, as it always kind of throws people what they're supposed to do with that first one. But yeah, you're multiplying the quantity by the cost per unit, so that would be equals B3 multiplied by C3. Okay, and as you can see in the exercise instructions there, then you should be copying that formula down to all the other cells. There's some other ones there then for you to add in, like getting the total of all orders, getting the average, finding the most expensive and the least expensive, and so on as well. And if you scroll down then on those instructions, there's a few others to add in the other sheets. So in each of the sheets, you'll be adding in a couple of formulas. Okay. Once you're finished with all of that, then you'll save your file and then upload it onto Moodle. So same as before, you'll click here to find where you need to upload it. And what you'll see here is an add submission. Yours looks a little bit different to mine. We'll click on add submission, drag and drop your file across from your folder, like so. And that's it then. Okay, so best of luck with that exercise, but do let me know if you have any questions.